Today we are making an easy 7-layer bean dip, a perfect make-ahead appetizer dip that you serve along with tortilla chips. It has a Tex-Mex flavor, and I think you're really going to enjoy having this one in your recipe box.
It's cooking time! Let's get started!
Mix together in a freestanding mixer 1 cup of sour cream, 1 8-ounce cream cheese block, and your spices, which will be 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1½ teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, ½ teaspoon ground paprika, 4 teaspoon garlic powder, 4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, and a 4th teaspoon dried oregano. And as always, you'll find the recipe in the description box below. For our avocado mixture, we are going to mash 1 avocado. To do this, we will take a knife and inserting it all the way into where the seed is, we will circle completely around the whole avocado. Separate the 2 halves by twisting them opposite directions. Scoop out the inside of the avocado with a large spoon. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Combine with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. One-4 cup salsa. And for the last thing that you'll need to mix, you're going to put in a 3rd bowl your refried beans and 1 teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. You're going to need a 2-quart baking dish where you're going to first spread your bean mixture, layer with the avocado mixture, followed by a thin layer of salsa, about 1/4 cup. On top of the salsa, spread the sour cream mixture. Taking about 2 cups of shredded cheese that you have grated yourself, sprinkle this cheese over the sour cream mixture. Next, we're going to chop our tomato. First, we're going to core it and then deseed it so it's not so juicy, and then chop it. Sprinkle the chopped tomatoes over the top of the cheese and sprinkle with sliced olives. Serve with tortilla chips and enjoy!